So today I picked up the latest electronic gadget from Wal Mart. That's right, a data logger. This guy's used when shipping fresh produce. They toss it on the pallet and see if the food got too hot during the journey. The hard to see red blinky light means it got too hot. It's a little bit warmer than freezing in this room. It has this little connector for reading and config, connect this stuff to a computer. So let's open it up. We just have to take off this plastic shrink cover and then 2 screws. Super simple, not much in here really. This side is just a battery and that little glass package which looks like a temperature sensor. Flip it over, we have the I2C EEPROM to store our 15-day data log and an epoxy blob chip, 32 kHz crystal. I presume the epoxy blob is going to be our super simple microcontroller with some sort of RTC capability so we have an accurate date and time. At the top is our single push button and status LEDs. At the bottom is a little debugging port during manufacture. And that's it, a quick little teardown of a little device you don't really get to see very often. Thanks for watching.